Hi, Mike from Dirtydog 4x4 here. I'm going to show you how to do the installation on a sunscreen for the front of a Jeep JL. Sunscreen installation on the JL Unlimited 2-door and the JT all go on the same way. The front section goes all the same way. So this is whatever vehicle you have, this is how you're going to install it. Everything is sewn on to the product that you need. Nothing's loose, nothing to lose. Everything is on there. So what you have is you have your sunscreen, top and the bottom. Identify the top as you're going to have your Dirtydog tags on the outside. You'll also see your buckle will show there's a top and the bottom side of the buckle. So the top side is the top side of the net. So the front, you have this two straps, one point in each direction. This one here points to the front of the vehicle, and it has no buckle on it, it's just straight. You're going to slide it in. The slot here, there's a metal overlap here. There's a seam here, I guess, where the metal overlaps. This is where you're going to slide this strap in, and you're just going to follow it straight in through there, push it through. Sometimes it helps to have a little downward bend on it. So if you're going to get it, because you want it to go down in front of the windshield. So we're just going to push it in through there, and you should be able to feel it. You can feel it easily go through. You should be able to feel it on the underside, and comes up, and you'll see it here. So, and all this is going to do is you have this strap with the buckle. It's going to meet on the inner side, and you're going to connect into the ladder lock into the buckle, and you connect it. So I'm going to show you how that ladder lock goes. I'll just show you how you clip those in. So you get that done. You're going to go around. You grab there's a side one here. This just goes along the roll bar sides. Same thing, ladder lock, tie it in. Don't put everything on too tight. Just put everything on loosely. Get it in place. Because if you pull it too tight, you won't be able to, the straps won't be long enough to reach the other side. Now the back strap here, if you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to basically put it between the door, or I'm going to put it right on the outside of the roll bar. I'm going to reach around underneath, so it's going to go on the underside of the roll bar, to the door pillar, and it's going to come up around the side here. So we're just going to put that same thing, put it through. Again, just put an inch or two through. Pull it a couple inches, get it in loose, and then we're going to go to the other side and do the exact same thing. And so basically what you want is you want it positioned so that you want it, you want it about an inch away from the front panel up here. You don't want any flapping, so it's a little too tight there. Loosen off your front ones, and then you pull back tighter on your rear corners here, pull it back. And that's your installation on your front sunscreen.